All right, David, thanks. Well, a major court ruling is shaking up how Mississippi elects its top judges.
A federal judge says the state Supreme Court's electoral map violates the Voting Rights Act and has to be redrawn. 16 WAPT's Bethel Miles is here to break down what this means moving forward. Bethel.
Well, the court says Mississippi has used the same district since 1987, and they don't give black voters a fair chance at representation. Now lawmakers have been ordered to redraw the map. The ruling comes after a lawsuit backed by the ACLU claiming the current Supreme Court district split up the Delta, where much of the state's black population lives. A U.S. district judge in North Mississippi wrote in her ruling that the evidence shows black candidates running for the Mississippi Supreme Court face little chance of winning under the current system. Aycock's decision orders lawmakers to redraw the map to comply with the Voting Rights Act. The state could still choose to appeal to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. And in more than 100 years, only 4 black justices have ever served on Mississippi's highest court, all of them from the same district. All were initially appointed by a governor and subsequently elected by the voters. One of the plaintiffs in this lawsuit was Ty Pickens, an independent Senate candidate. He told us today that history shows the map violates the Voting Rights Act.
If I see that Supreme Court district lines are drawn in a way that dilutes or weakens the vote of a certain demographic, whether that demographic may be black or white, do something about it. There are legal tools and resources that you can use in this instance, going to court and suing the governor, the attorney general, and the secretary of state to force them to draw new Supreme Court lines.
The court has now given Mississippi lawmakers a deadline to redraw the lines, and the new map must be in place well before the next schedule of elections, which is in 2028. That new map would determine how justices are elected in the future and how fairly voters' voices are represented in the state's highest court. Now, Pickens says this isn't just about one community, it's about everyone's right to vote and equal representation. In the studio tonight.